A user contacted me about the script links report. They needed a list of images in a document, the page number of each, and the metadata description. As the user discovered, links report can do this. But for it to work, each image needs alt text set to metadata description. To do this, select an image and open the Object menu. Choose Object Export Options. Change the alt text source to From XMP Description. Then InDesign gets the description from the metadata. I'll run the script links report to show the result. We only need the file name, page number, and alt text. I'll output to CSV and open the report. The image with alt text set now shows the description in the report. The challenge is, the user's document has far more images than my simple example, and none of them with alt text set. The user asked if another script could set alt text of every image, so they wouldn't have to manually, one by one. I considered writing a script, then I realized we don't need a script. InDesign can do it. Here's how. Go to the Edit menu. Find Change. Click the Object tab. The Find Object Format leave blank. For Change Object Format, click the magnifier to specify attributes to change. In the third section on the left, at the bottom, click Alt Text. On the right, change the source to From XMP Description. Click OK. Below, in the drop-down list Type, choose Graphic Frames. Click the button Change All and close Find Change. Now run links report. There it is. Image name, page number, and description of every image in the document. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.